Taylor here with Traveling Taylor, and today I wanted to give you a little sneak peek of Ho Chi Minh City, which is where I've been for the last month. And me and my friend, we found a really great co-working space here in the city. And on Tuesdays, they do tryout Tuesdays. So we are gonna walk and head that way and give it a try. I am here in District 2 in Thao Dien. It is a pretty expat friendly neighborhood, and it is more of a neighborhood, so it's not as kind of crazy and big and overwhelming as District 1 can be, but it'll still give you a good idea of what Ho Chi Minh City is like and what it's like to kind of walk around. So there you can see right there, lots of scooters. Yeah, so join us on our walk to co-working today.